Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find user ID and server ID in Mobile Legends. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Mobile Legends game on your phone. Once you're on the home page, look for the Add Friend icon and tap on it. A menu will pop up. Now here, tap on the Name Search tab and type in the name of your friend. Once you've found your friend in the search results, simply tap on their profile. This will open another menu. In that menu, you'll see a small search icon. Tap on it. Right after that, you'll be able to see your friend's server ID clearly displayed. Now, if you want to find your own user ID and server ID, just go back to the home page of the game. From there, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Once you open your profile, you'll see your user ID, and right next to it in brackets, your server ID will also be shown. And that's it. So that's basically how you can find user ID and server ID in Mobile Legends. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.